Them wheels is gas. Oh nah, this is fucking gas. God damn. We got no hookah. YouTube, what is up everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. Today we are heading to Haines City, Florida because Bearded Dragon is having a car show, car meet called Cars and Cuts. If you guys are returning subscribers, you pretty much know that this car meet I always go to because this is the car meet that started my whole YouTube channel. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. Let's get right into the video. See us, man. We outside. Bro, you the reason I didn't want this shit. Look at this shit, boys.
Come on, we got 2 spots here, bro. Come on.
Switchback top mount, man.
See my baby right there?
God damn. That's what you call money. That front end is straight carbon, dude. Nigga, look at the front end on this. I mean carbon only. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, that we got no hookah. Oh my god. I ain't gonna lie, this man might take it up through there. I think it's a girl actually. A crown, right?
Yeah, you seen the front end on this shit?
Look at the front end on this shit, boy. That's what you call money.
Look at the top.
I ain't gonna lie, I'd be scared to drive this.
I'm scared to drive this motherfucker.
Look at this paint job, man. This paint job costs more than my car. Clean ass one more. Them wheels is gas. Oh nah, this is fucking gas. Rocket Bunny. Trueno. That's right hand drive.
Estar rodeado de panas falsos. Soy de un en mi mano alzo. Yo sé lo que se siente.
That shit is hard. Nah, I like that. That shit's hard. Man, that's the Beamer boys right here. And the RX-7 guys. Yeah, that truck is fire, I ain't gonna lie. But that's what I want right there. Oh no, that's M5. That's what I want right there. That's his car right here. Yeah, this is wavy shit right here. So you got Bob Marley on, you see? Yeah, this is his car too, I ain't gonna lie. This nigga's on that. Nah, this nigga snapped. I ain't gonna lie.